What's up, everybody? It is March 25th here in Mississippi. I just killed my third longbeard for the season, so I'm officially tagged out. I was going to show you guys how I do my turkey fan mounts. So the first step, which I'm about to do, is to cut the fan off the bird. When I do this, I try to keep as many of these secondary feathers as I'm able to. If you've never done this, you kind of grab the fan, feel the outline of the bones, and just cut along the bone. Once the fan is cut off, you can clean up a lot of the meat that's around the quills, where the quills meet. Clean up as much of that as you can. What I do next is I use pant coat hangers that have the little clips to keep the fan spread open. Put on a piece of cardboard, or I'm using styrofoam in this instance. Spread it out like you want it, and then I cover the area where the quills meet with borax on both sides. What that's going to do is help dry out any moisture, kind of turn any of that meat that's left over into jerky. I usually let that sit for about a week or so, and then once that is done, I'll scrape off all the borax and pick off any of the dried meat that I can, and then I cover mine with bondo. I use bondo for a couple different reasons. It's going to hold the fan permanently in place, where sometimes if you just salt it or use borax, the fan has a tendency to kind of creep up as time goes by, but that bondo is going to hold it permanently, nice and displayed like you want it. Also, you can drill a hole through the bondo and screw it directly on the wall if you need to. So that is what I do with mine. And then the final step is hanging them on the wall. I use these plaques that Chase makes. You should be able to get them at springlegion.com. They should be available. Really high quality, super easy. Put a screw in the wall, hang the plaque on the wall, put your fan in the plaque. I like it a lot because you can pull the fan off the wall out of the plaque super easy. Makes it easy for moving. You swap out fans if you want to hang a different one, because the fan's not permanently attached to the plaque. So that's it. Hope you guys have watched some of our turkey hunts we've already put out for this season. We got several more coming up we're looking forward to, but appreciate y'all watching. See you on the next one.